Hello beautiful people, welcome to this video. If you're new here, my name is Irene. On today's video we'll be cleaning our vegetables and arranging our fridge. So welcome, and I hope that you'll enjoy this video. So first things first, I'll start by cleaning the vegetables and the fruits, then dry them, then we'll go ahead and organize them in the refrigerator.
Not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
So our fruits are done. Next thing you're going to do is wash our vegetables. I first cleaned my storage containers, and you guys, I really need to update things in my kitchen. My kitchen is looking so bad.
Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, girlfriend. No, girlfriend. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, and I never wanna be your girl.
I'll really wish to know how you clean your corianders, because myself, I start by sorting so that I can get rid of the weeds. You know that coriander has a lot of dirt. I start by sorting, then I really deep clean them. So let me know how you wash your corianders. If you first chop the roots, then you wash, or you first wash, then you chop the roots.
No. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No.
Go ahead and chop the roots so that when I store them in the refrigerator, they can last me long, because I'm planning this is my weekly shopping for vegetables. Next, we'll start by storing our carrots into a plastic bag so that they can maintain their freshness. I'll as well put the rest in plastic bags, and the coriander in a plastic container. So I know you may be wondering why all my tomatoes are not yet well ripe. I like saucing my tomatoes when they are not yet ripe, because I don't want to buy the ripe ones so that they do not overripe all of them at once.
Just come, we must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So I'd forgotten to wash my butternut.
Lions gonna come.
Thoroughly clean my ginger.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
So next I'm going to wash my green peas, then boil them. Let them cool, then I'll store them in the refrigerator.
Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
I'm going to clean my fridge chop. I'm using my, in case you're wondering why my spray, what is in the spray bottle, it is a mixture of wet vinegar and water. It cleans surfaces really nicely. You can try it and let me know how the outcome was, especially on your windows, on your mirrors. It cleans so nicely. So we'll go ahead and arrange our fridge. This grocery shopping will last us for a week. We didn't want to shop a lot of groceries since we'll be traveling. We know it is the festive season. So this will be enough for a week, and we won't have vitu mingi za kuacha kwa fridge ziharibike. So there you go. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate. I hope that you're going to enjoy your holidays. Stay safe out there. Kindly watch, subscribe and share. Bye guys.